Students listen. Now we are going to get the knowledge of trapezium. Look at the diagram. These two sides are opposite sides and parallel. These two lines represents the height of a trapezium. Both are same length. A trapezium is a quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Area of a trapezium equal to half into height into sum of parallel sides. So half into height into a plus b square units. A and b are the opposite sides of a trapezium. Clear? Next one, area of a quadrilateral. Look at the diagram. D represents the diagonal of a quadrilateral. H1 and H2 represents the height of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral equal to half into diagonal into height 1 plus height 2 square units. Clear ma? Area of a quadrilateral equal to half into D into height 1 plus height 2 square units. Next one, area of a rhombus. Rhombus is a special type of quadrilateral whose diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. It's a special type of quadrilateral. These two diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. See, listen ma, this is 90-degree angle. Okay va? Next, area of a rhombus ABCD equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 square units. D1 and D2 represents the diagonals of a rhombus. Clear? Exercise 14.2. The length of parallel sides of a trapezium are 20 cm and 14 cm. The distance between them is 10 cm. Find the area of a trapezium. See, listen ma. What's a given? Height is given, that is 10 cm, and then two parallel sides are given. One is 20 cm, another one is 14 cm. Find the area of a trapezium. Clear ma? Students listen. What's a given? Height is equal to 10 cm. One side is 20 cm. Another side is 14 cm. Area of a trapezium equal to half into height into sum of two parallel sides. Substitute the value half into height value 10. The value of A is 20. The value of B is 14. Add these two values, we get 34. Cancel these two values by the second table. 1 2s are 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 into 34. Multiply these two values. 5 4s are 20. Write 0. 2 is the remainder. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Area of a trapezium equal to 170 centimeter square. See, listen, square units is must. Okay. Height given. Sum of two parallel sides is given. Apply the formulas. Half into height into A plus B square units ma. The area of a rhombus is 225 square centimeter. If the length of one of its diagonals is 15 centimeter, find the length of other diagonal. See, listen, diagonal 1 is 15 centimeter. Area of the rhombus is 225 centimeter square, and find the value of the diagonal 2. Second one, given diagonal of a rhombus is 15 centimeter. Area is given 225 centimeter square. Find the another diagonal values, that is D2. D1 given, area of a rhombus is given, and then find the value of D2. Clear ma? Next, area of a rhombus is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 value 15. So D2 equal to, write 225 in this place. Take a reciprocal for these two values. It is in the denominator. If we transpose these values, so it goes to the numerator, and then this is into 15. Suppose if we transpose these values to the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. Now we cancel these two values, 225 and 15. So listen, 225 and 15. 1 15s are 15. The remaining is 7. That is 75. So 15 5s are 75. We know that 15 into 15 is 225. So write 15 into the remaining value 2. Multiply these two values. We get 30. 15 2s are 30. The diagonal 2 value is 30 centimeter. The other diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeter. Clear ma? Diagonal 1 is given. Find the value of diagonal 2. One more given is area. Apply the formulas. Substitute the values. Cancel these two values. We get the diagonal values of a rhombus. The length of the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 48 meter. That is, diagonal of a quadrilateral is given. Length of perpendicular dropped on it from the opposite vertices are 16 centimeter and 26 centimeter. That is, height 1 and height 2 is given. Find the area of the field. Diagonal is given. Height 1 and height 2 are given. Find the area of a quadrilateral. 8th one, the given values are height 1 equal to 16 meter, height 2 equal to 26 meter, diagonal value 48 meter, area of a quadrilateral formula half into diagonal into height 1 plus height 2 square units, half into diagonal value is 48 into height 1 value 16, height 2 value 26. First we have to substitute the all given values and cancel these two values by the second table. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and then 4 2s are 8. Write 24 is here into 16 plus 26 is 42. Now multiply these two values ma. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, remainder 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. First add 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, write 0, remaining 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. So area of a quadrilateral is 1008 meter square. Height 1, height 2, diagonal is given. Question is find the area of a quadrilateral. Formula half into diagonal into height 1 plus height 2 square units. Substitute the values more. Clear?